Alright guys, so this is the main frame of this HTML. So we've got a doc type. It means what sort of documents. It means that this document is HTML. The HTML starts from here, the HTML ends here. So because this browser is very smart, it knows that, look, when I press this plus and minus, it's telling me that this heading is all the way here and header is finished, and the body starts from here and the body ends here. So say if I'm bringing the rest, all right, so now it's the same thing. This ID is very smart. So now we are here, and as I explained to you guys, that localhost, it means that's inside my computer. So it's not a HTTPS, it's not a transfer protocol, or I'm not connected to internet. And for it's very good for you guys if you guys say want to test your HTML inside the browser of your computer, so you can use this local host. So we go towards this. All right, so HTTPS or HTTP, you guys see this one in the inside this HTML all the time, ://, that's HTTP, and we have is localhost, this one. All right guys, so this sometime you see this localhost, which the L is lower, and sometimes you guys see it was 127.0.0.1. it's exactly same thing, but it's up to you. You guys want to configure your computer as 127 or localhost. Sometimes if you configure your 127.0.0.1, it goes by that, and sometimes if you configure with this one with the localhost, it shows whatever is inside your computer. So the local host inside your computer is not outside. You don't need an internet connection, because now I turn off the internet connection and still can access this whatever I'm creating in the browser, my HTML. So if I because I turn off the internet from here, if I do this, it means that I can't see that web page again because I don't have internet connection. But you guys can see I can still see these things. So all right, so because that's under development. All right, so as you guys can see, I can still access this through this local host. I don't have internet connection, but I can still connect this with the local host. All right, so how to check the codes at this browser, at the back of the browser. I know this is your first day or first video of this internet, so you guys can you say what the hell, it's too much for you guys, but I'm gonna show you guys anyway, because you guys starting your journey through this HTML. So I'll show you guys how to go and check at the back of the website. So this is my browser inside the website. You guys do control plus U, and you see the code at the back. So this code, this is called, says H2, and H2 is mean header 2 and header 2. Welcome to learning HTML. It's exactly like that. This one, that's inside your browser. So anything you see inside this browser is exactly like that. So this is the same thing. Welcome to learning HTML is H2 is exactly this one. There you go. So and that's exactly like that. My favorite text editor for this HTML is this Sublime Text. So you guys might say, why this index? I'm going to show you guys what index is at the next video when we configure our website. I'm going to show you in the next video, you guys, how to go there and configure your website, your local host, to your inside your computer. Local host, it means your local and host. Yours means this host is locally. It's not a global, or it's not somewhere else. Inside, that's inside your computer. That's what it's called, local host. Very easy to remember. And another thing is very easy to remember. This, see, this head disappears. So when I click here, this means turns on, because the browser is reading that this header is here, and this body is all the way here. So that's why it's highlighting this. Your body is all the way from there and hit. So if I come here, that's what I like, the Sublime text, because it makes the job a lot easy. So if I turn this, see these things highlighting. Anyway, so now we learn what HTML is, who invented this HTML. So now we learn what HTML is, who is the founder of this HTML, and all these different protocols, and the basic layout of this HTML. So next video we go and I'm going to show you guys how to configure this HTML inside the window, and inside this Linux very easy, but Windows. So we learn the basic of the HTML. HTML is hypertext markup language, and this is the basic, the minimum code of this HTML. So HTML, we closing the HTML with this one, and the head we close with head with this one, and the body. So the body, anything you see inside this HTML is must be closing like that. Okay, like that. Anything comes in here, it must be closing like that. So say this is the full stop of this sentence. So our sentence starts from here, and it starts from here and it ends here. This is the minimum layout of this HTML. So we compare it to human. As a human's got a head, this one's head got a head as well. As a human's got a body, this one's got a body as well. Whatever text you can see, that comes inside the body, and the end HTML ends from here. And we guys you guys also learned that the HTTP is hypertext transfer protocol, and we configure our website through localhost, and IP is 127.0.0.1. It's exactly same thing. So this two is the same thing. Alright, so in the next videos we go and explore this, how to configure, explore HTML further, and I'm going to show you guys how to configure your website, your browser, because you guys want to test your HTML and PHP through your browser. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this, and we go and dive deep, get our hand dirty inside this HTML. Till next video, I'll see you guys. Bye.